In today's video, I will teach you how to generate cartoon characters using Canva's magic media. Let's get started. Creating cartoon characters doesn't require drawing skills anymore. With Canva's magic media, you can generate fun, unique cartoon characters just by describing what you want. So start by logging in to your Canva account, and from Canva's homepage, click Canva AI to access Canva's magic AI tools. And inside Canva's AI, you'll see a text box where you can type in what you want the AI to create. For cartoon characters, click the image icon to switch the AI to magic media. This is used for creating visuals instead of text. Now click Style, and you'll see a wide range of style categories such as cinematic, creative, fashion, vector, and more. So select a style that matches the look that you want, or you can leave it unselected if you already have a very specific style in mind and plan to describe it in your prompt. Choosing a style helps guide the overall look and feel of your cartoon characters. Choose the aspect ratio for your images. This is helpful depending on where you plan to use the character, for example, Instagram posts, profile images, posters, or website graphics. Now in the text box, describe the cartoon character that you want to generate, and make sure to be as specific as possible and clearly mention that you want cartoon characters. And make sure to include details like gender, age, or personality, clothing and accessories, facial expression, or pose. You can also mention art style and background. But you can also click the mic icon to dictate your prompt instead of typing. And here are some prompt writing tips for better cartoon characters. Now press enter and let Canva's magic media generate your images. And once the AI responds, you'll see 4 cartoon character images per generation. Now click on each image to view it more closely and compare the results. And if you like one of the images, you can open it in Canva's editor, or turn it into a poster, or create an Instagram post or other design. If the image looks a bit low quality, you can click Boost Resolution to enhance it. And if you're not satisfied, simply adjust the prompt or ask the AI to change the style, pose, or details, then generate again. And once you're happy with the final result, click on the image that you like and select Download to save it to your device. Canva's magic media makes it easy to bring cartoon characters to life without any design experience. With clear prompts and a little experimentation, you can create characters that fit your style, brand, or creative vision perfectly. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.